Hi, I'm Ntabi Daukubong from Ditau Interiors. My style is luxurious yet functional. That's why you'll often find me trawling the aisles at builders. They've got it all. Ready to turn your outdoor area into a beautiful oasis where you can watch the stars and enjoy a meal while you relax and sip on something decadent? Then let's get started. We'll start with the floor and build your vision from there. Use an outdoor rug or two to define your space. Patterned, textured or plain. Go with your personal taste. Next, you need to look at the walls. Paint is a great way to break up space and make an area feel larger or more intimate. In fact, you can use paint to add texture. The Fired Earth granular paint range has a wide selection to choose from. If you've already got outdoor furniture but it looks a little tired, get to Builders and take a look at the extensive Harlequin and Fired Earth paint ranges. Whether you need rust protection or simply want to spruce up a piece with fresh new colors, Builders will have what you need. Now, let's talk furniture. Consider matching your outdoor furniture to the architectural style of your home. If you're creating your outdoor living area from scratch, take a look at Builders' wood, wicker, aluminium and steel outdoor furniture options. Limited by space? Look at a round table option. Got a small tribe to seat? Think benches and long tables. Now for the ambiance. Lighting is key when it comes to setting the mood. Candle lanterns are a good start. With careful placement, you can create little pockets of intimacy to snuggle up under on a starry night. So you've defined your space, set the color palette, and now you're ready to add the finishing touches. Scatter cushions and throws, which you'll find plenty of at Builders, are a good idea. Enhance the outdoor feel with a selection of hand-painted pots for some beautiful foliage, or build a mini herb garden for an additional touch of flair. And if you really want to top your fabulous new outdoor space off with something indulgent, add a tabletop gas braai or pizza oven as the finishing touch. For more great decor tips and trends, go to the Builders blog and get inspired. Fabulous style and elegant outdoor dining is not only doable, but when you get it done at Builders, it's easy and fun too.